Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to repair the position light of the Suzuki Gladius that I have here. Now it's not working. No, not working. I found on internet for €5 like 10 LED lights like these ones, so very cheap. And now we are going to replace it. Let's go! To start we need an Allen screwdriver that I have here, and we are going to remove these two screws. And now the other one. Next step, we remove this screw here. And there is one in the other side. Now we can open the box. The LED light is here. We replace it with the new one that I have here. We are going to try from one side. We turn on the motorbike and it's not working, so we rotate and now it works. Cool. We put it again in his position right there. And we put back the screws. You have seen how easy it is to change the position light of the Suzuki Gladius. I'm going to leave you a link to the LED light that I have used in the video, so it will be more easy for you to find it. It's very easy reparation, but I hope it has been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.